Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Air Fryer Accessories Stainless Steel Highly Recommended Innovative Design Multifunctional Kitchen Gadgets Healthy Cooking. This product is an absolute game changer for anyone who loves healthy and convenient cooking. These accessories are made of high-quality stainless steel and are designed to make your air frying experience even better. With a variety of useful gadgets included, such as a steaming rack, silicone mats, and even a pizza pan, you'll have everything you need to create a wide range of delicious and healthy meals. Not only will these accessories save you time and effort in the kitchen, but they will also help you to cook healthier meals by using less oil and fat. The innovative design ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly, resulting in amazing flavors and textures every time. And the best part? These accessories are so easy to clean and store, making them a must-have for any air fryer owner. Whether you're a beginner or a pro in the kitchen, you can take your cooking to the next level with these highly recommended accessories. So, if you're ready to elevate your air frying game and enjoy healthier, more delicious meals, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on these game-changing accessories. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.